good. We go. That's fourth. And fifth gear. No noise. The transmission is brand new. What a gorgeous day. It's one tough truck. There's a 1976 International Scout with, of course, 6.5 turbo diesel. Exhaust coming down and right out there by the wheel. There it is. Brand new tires. Brand new aluminum radiator. Brand new, brand new, brand new. There you have it. Now the meat on those tires, matter of fact, they're brand new. Still see the bluing on the white letters. This is equipped with all the extra support going across, but it's not your normal everyday diesel in a Scout. It's a 6.5, 195 horse turbo diesel, and it's got mechanically injected. It does not have electronics at all.